And I got this new balances on shit. Yeah, balances. I'm gonna show you it balancing on stuff. Boom, boom. Yeah, it's balancing. Oh lol. See, it's balancing on its beak. I don't know what. I think there's like weight in it. Wing that makes the heavy point there and makes it not fall and shit. But yeah, and his name's Jeff. He's a very cool pet. Yeah, it's a little bit heavy. Wait, just yeah, it comes with this stand. Yeah. Wait, the freak made him stand on it. Yeah, so he can stand on basically anything. That's not too soft. Like he can stand on my finger, stand on the spoon maybe, stand on my cock. I won't try that. That's just, yeah, that's all. Bye. Bye.